Let me clear up a myth that causes a lot of unnecessary anxiety for parents. Your child does not need musical talent to benefit from music. In fact, talent is a terrible place to start. What matters far more is confidence, curiosity, and consistency. Those are learned. Those are built. Every child I've taught who stuck with music grew in focus, emotional regulation, and self-belief. Not because they were gifted, but because the system gave them early wins. When kids experience success quickly, they lean in. When learning feels like failure, they shut down. That's human, it's not musical. If your child can speak, listen, and move, they already have everything they need to make music.